Hey there, this is Lori from Rideshare Silver, and I'm doing a quick video to show you how to get your Uber driver sign-up bonus in case you did not sign up with a driver's invite code. So let's get right to it. Uber typically allows you 15 days after you sign up to drive for them to enter another driver's referral code so you can qualify for the sign-up bonus or the guaranteed earnings. And there are two ways to do it. So we're going to do it right through the app initially. So I'll show you how to do that. So we're going to go right into the Uber driver app. You're going to go into account down here on the bottom. You're going to go to help. From help, you're going to go to account and payment. You're going to go to referrals. And invited driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral. Okay, now they're going to talk here about like the rules and regulations on how to use this. It really depends on what part of the country you're in. This might look totally different when you go in there, but let's just ignore that and let's just go in and get it started because I can't really guarantee exactly the time frame in your part of the country, but you'll find out immediately once you do this. So let's go message us. So my invite code is B7B3-4TUE. And so you would enter that code, and then you would enter my name, which would be Lori Harlan. And then you would enter the phone number, my phone number for Uber, and that is 360-450-1332. And then my email address. And then you would hit submit. Now all of this is going to be down in the referral or in the description below the video, so you don't have to worry, it's all there. So you can get all that information. And there's a second way that you can do this, that you just go into support@uber.com. You just email support@uber.com. You say, I'm missing my driver referral code. Would you please apply it to my account? And then you give this exact information that we just typed here. And once again, I will add that in the description below so you can do that because it really is great to drive for Uber. And if you sign up and find out that you've missed out on this bonus, it's basically free money that you're just leaving on the table if you don't use another driver's invite code. This just enter this information and you should be able to qualify for those guaranteed earnings or bonus. So hopefully that was helpful, and hope to see you on the road.